I've spent years working on nuclear power electrical systems before moving into the HVAC world. If there is one thing I've learned in nearly 2 decades of turning wrenches, it is that the data doesn't lie. Today, we are looking at a basic tier matchup between two heavy hitters in the budget-friendly space, the Ameristar A4AC5 and the Ducane 7AC14F. When you look at the cabinets, you see two very different approaches to protecting that all-important outdoor coil. The Ameristar A4AC5 utilizes slotted panels. These are a massive step up from a flimsy wire guard, providing solid protection against the elements and stray debris while still allowing for decent airflow. On the other side, the Ducane 7A14F comes standard with a full louvered coil. From a service perspective, those metal louvers are the gold standard for unit protection. They keep the fins straight and the airflow consistent over the long haul, effectively acting as a steel fortress for the guts of your machine. Moving to efficiency and the guts of these machines, both units are sitting at a 15.2 SEER2 rating. Both utilize single-stage compressors, meaning they are either 100% on or 100% off. As an electrician, I look at the inrush current. Because these aren't variable speed or two-stage units, they take a big gulp of electricity every time they kick on. The Ducane is slightly quieter at 73 dB compared to the Ameristar's 74 dB, which is a difference you might just notice if the unit is sitting right outside your bedroom window. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the money. For the Ameristar A4AC5, you're looking at an average equipment cost of around $2,100 to $3,600, with total installed prices typically landing between $4,500 and $8,000. The Ducane 7AC14F is often a sharper price point for the hardware, with condensers frequently retailing between $800 and $1,100, leading to estimated installed costs in the $3,500 to $5,500 range, depending on your local market. Before we get to the winner, remember that the best equipment in the world won't last if you don't maintain it. Keep those coils clean and change your filters regularly. A dirty system is a dying system. In the warranty battle, both brands offer a solid 10-year limited warranty on the compressor and functional parts. However, neither of these specific models includes a unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in year 2, you're getting a new compressor part, not a whole new outdoor unit. So, who takes the trophy? If I'm putting my reputation on the line, the winner is the Ducane 7AC14F. While both units have identical SEER2 efficiency, the Ameristar's slotted panels are a respectably tough build. The Ducane wins on value and protection. The Ducane's full louvered cabinet provides the absolute best physical protection to preserve the unit's lifespan in the real world. Plus, the lower entry price for a machine assembled right here in the USA makes it the smarter play for your bottom line. Shop like a pro by checking the full ratings at HVAC for Beginners to find the perfect match for your home.